people of the world. I am Tristan. This is Anthony. This is Kobe, which no one really cares about. Not a lot of people. Chill out, bro. Chill.
Alright, stop. Just stop.
This is a really. Look at this hoverboard. Hey, chill.
It's not even a hoverboard.
I mean, hoverboard. I meant.
That's my hoverboard.
This is fake.
It's not. If it's fake, I would be writing this shit.
It's a not. Look.
Look at the.
It's a different fucking brand.
It's a knockoff brand. Like.
There.
It's not the official hoverboard that you can get at like the mall.
It only costs like 100.
Yeah, it costs like 100.
Alright, and let me see this penny board. Let me see this penny board. Yeah.
Penny board.
This is a real penny board.
The board you're sitting on
That's
too.
ugly as fuck.
Real penny board.
Alright.
Chill out, bro. Seriously. From the back, penny logo. Oh, crap. Penny logo. Penny trucks. Penny wheels. Penny.
Show your board now. I want to write this shit.
Alright, this is the worst board in the neighborhood that I live.
It's not. It's my board, bro.
It's a horrible board.
Alright, look. Alright,
Look at what we did
No,
to it.
look. Alright, now look. It's pretty sexy. Let me get off the hoverboard. 1 second. Oh, and I got new shoes. Bitch, I said shoes.
Alright, record
But they're Fallen, the newest ones and the last ones ever made with American flag socks. Sexy, right? And the sun. That's some old sexy shit.
Well, let me
And
write that.
Fallen.
Best pair of shoes that's ever made from Asylum.
No, they're from Asylum. And my board inside, but that board we just colored on.
Horrible board. Look at the back of that. Just the death.
I like the shirt. It's like my favorite
Record it.
sexy shirt. Wait,
Yeah,
Let me record it. Let me record it.
That looks like
It's in Skaterfornia.
That looks like
Yeah.
a
Skating
Poland
California.
shirt, though. That
It has
actually-
like
Look
it
at
has
that.
like flowers and has color and stuff.
In
So who
me.
wants to ride that penny? Who wants to ride?
Look at these shoes. Messed up. And yeah. So this is
the hill again. Or
No. Tomorrow. Today's just No. This is basically the end of the video because we're gonna make it faster because we don't have a lot of time. But I'm Tristan.
Anthony.
Say.
Fucking Kobe.
Yeah.
Number 239.
Fucking go.
My number is 239-231.
No one watched.
Please end the video now before I kill it.
Alright, so this is our first video. Independent.
Number. It's 239-316-6097.
Dude, you're like he's holding it like this, like he's not even looking at the camera. He's like,
Sorry. No, it doesn't. I've seen, one of the most popular YouTubers go like this,
I know.
and then they just walk. Hey, yeah, they go like that.
I know, but most vloggers I watch, they just sit there and hold it to their face, and then when they look away, they talk.
Alright, so we're gonna do daily skating videos, and Kobe, we need to teach him how to skate. Cause we tried one time. He does not commit at all. He can't even do it all. Let's see if I can do it all on camera. Barely, bro. I can't do it with the camera because I'm so scared of it just like breaking. Because this is a really nice camera and I don't want this camera to break. So, and yeah, I don't really want to show any license plates, so I'm just... Tomorrow go to the hill, which is actually a little hill. It's not really a big hill. And today we're actually gonna go to it, but tomorrow we're gonna record it. And I hope you like our content and subscribe and comment whatever you did not like about this video.